Everyone, this is Tony Teaches Tech. I'm Tony, and in this video I'm going to show you how to buy and register a domain name with Google Domains. We're going to get right into the tutorial here. It's a pretty straightforward one. All you have to do is go to domains.google in your web browser. That's all you have to do. There's just domains.google. And in the search box here, type in the domain name that you want to purchase. So for me, it's going to be thriftytony.com. You can either hit enter or click on get it. And on this next page, you'll see if your domain name is available. For me, I got the green check mark. It is available. There's an exact match available. There's a little bit of insights here, such as it has a popular ending and it's not too long. Now they also suggest, or I guess have these other domain name extensions available. So you could also buy thriftytony.net, .org, .app. Those are very popular. And then maybe your domain name isn't available. They have some suggestions down here. You can do thriftytony.me or frugaltony.app, thriftyt.tech. So some of them are good, some of them are not so good, but that's here for you to look through as you need it. But anyway, this is just about purchasing and registering it. So what I'm going to do is basically add this to my cart. Its cost is $12 per year, and I think that includes taxes. So yes, it does include taxes. Now there's a couple options in your cart before you actually check out. Privacy protection is on. I recommend you keep that on. That hides your mailing address from people who go and look up your domain name registration in public directories. So that's a good thing. That's a good thing. You want to keep that on, and auto renew up to you. If you're going to be having this website hosted for a long time, then you want to keep auto renew on. Otherwise, if you might not want the website in a year or so, turn that off so you're not automatically charged. So today's August 26th, and it will be auto renewed about a year from now on August 26th. You also have the option of adding on custom email with G Suite. That is a option if you want to have email associated with your domain name. So for example, for me, it could be tony@thriftytony.com or hello@thriftytony.com. That is an additional $6 per email account per month. There is other options for cheaper hosting of email, but anything that you get with Google is very high quality. So you're getting what you pay for basically. So I'm going to skip for that for now. And I'm just going to go ahead and check out here. And this is going to be the credit card payment page, which there's my address. You probably cannot see that. And then the actual purchase with my credit card via Google Pay. If you do have a promo code, you could put that down there. And go ahead and click on buy to complete your purchase and your registration. Now that'll take a second or two, and when that's finished, your domain will be added to your domain list, your list of domains, and you'll be taken to that page. So here we go. This is the dashboard for thriftytony.com. I now officially own that domain. Check out the website. I don't know if there's going to be content on it yet or not, but right here it is. We can do many different things with this. The one thing that you'll probably do right away, if you have hosting with somebody else, which you might have hosting with somebody else because Google Domains is just a domain name register. It doesn't actually include hosting. You're just buying the domain name. So in order to connect your domain name to your hosting provider, you're going to want to do something in your DNS settings. I do have other videos on my channel about that, so I'll link them somewhere in the video or down in the description. Basically, all you're going to do is come down here and add a couple different A records pointing to the IP address of your hosting plan. So that I think that's about it. It is very simple to buy and register a domain name from Google Domains, as you have seen. This channel, if you need help getting set up with your website, this channel has many different resources, whether you're doing WordPress or custom websites or some other type of website, e-commerce, all that stuff, SSL certificates, this is the place to be. So have a look around. Let me know in the description, or not in the description, let me know in the comments below if you have any specific questions about this topic or any other topic in regards to web hosting. I'll be more than happy to help you out. That's what I'm here for. Guys, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more like this in the future, consider subscribing to this channel. And if you do, I'll see you in the next one.